If you're a young adult and think Hermès only hires designers or people with fashion degrees, this job exists to prove you wrong. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the channel where we break down careers in luxury, tech, and lifestyle. Tap subscribe so you don't miss the paths that change everything. And one small mistake here can cost more than most people's monthly rent. You're standing at a clean workbench, bag open, lights fixed, everyone silent. This is Hermès, pronounced Hermès. You do not pronounce the H sound. You're not selling bags. You're restoring, inspecting, and protecting pieces that already belong to someone. Before a bag goes back to a client, someone decides if it meets Hermès standards. That decision happens quietly, behind the scenes. That person is you. Leather flat on the table, hands gloved. Every stitch checked in the same order, every time. You inspect stitching, edges, leather grain, structure, alignment, and finish. If it fails the standard, it does not return to the client. And here's why Hermès actually prefers younger hires for this role. Hermès does not want shortcuts. They want focus, patience, and people who follow process exactly. If you're young, detail-obsessed, and coachable, you are easier to train than someone who already thinks they know better. You don't rush, you breathe, you reset, you check again. This job rewards calm repetition, not ego. But do not get it twisted. This job is pressure. You work under fixed lighting. One missed issue can send a damaged bag back to a VIP client, delay a repair timeline, or reflect poorly on the brand. There is no rushing, there is no guessing, there is no flex. If something leaves your station wrong, your name follows it. So how do you get in without luxury experience? Step 1, train your eye. Start with leather fundamentals. Learn how wear, damage, and defects actually show up. 10 minutes a day, same chair, same table, same focus. Practice by inspecting bags, wallets, belts, or shoes, taking close-up photos of edges, stitches, and grain, writing short notes explaining what passes and what fails. This is how you build judgment. Step 2, get adjacent, not perfect. You do not start as a master craftsperson. You enter through repair support, after sales support, stock operations, or production adjacent roles. Luxury hires from inside. Proximity comes before promotion. You start close enough to watch how standards are enforced. You bring proof, not potential. Your proof stack, 10 clear inspection photos with written notes. One simple one-page quality checklist, one short video explaining how you decide if a repair passes or fails. That is what earns interviews. People stop explaining things twice. Step 3, show proof. And once you are trusted, your path opens fast. You will not get rich overnight. But inside luxury, year 1 equals trained. You are quiet, watching, absorbing. Year 2 equals trusted. People stop double-checking your work. Year 3 equals promoted or recruited elsewhere. Your name carries weight without being loud. Repair leads to atelier roles, quality leadership, operations, and long-term brand careers. This is how people enter luxury quietly. No spotlight, just standards. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Watch the next video for more luxury jobs.